Okay, first things first. Now you need to take your vertical blind track off the wall. So if you'd like to come down to the bench, I'm just going to show you pretty much the two main fixing systems for vertical blinds. Now this one here, it will release by lifting this tab like that, and it comes off the vertical track. When you want to put the vertical back on, you would tilt it backwards, put it into this front section, and then it would snap back on. The second one is a little different. It's held on at the front here by a screw. So all you would need to do is loosen the screw off, not out all the way, then a little bit more, lift the track out. When you put the track back in, you'll notice that it's got this little hook here. So it slides into there first, push down, tighten the screw a little bit by hand, and then finish it off with the screwdriver so it's tight. And they are the two main fixing systems for vertical blinds.